Did you know that a year on Mars is nearly twice as long as a year on Earth? That's right. A Martian year lasts 687 Earth days. This is due to Mars's slower rotation speed around the Sun. But don't be fooled. A day on Mars, also known as a sol, is just slightly longer than a day on Earth. These fascinating similarities and differences set the stage for our understanding of Mars, the captivating red planet. So, if you ever thought your year was dragging on, imagine being on Mars. The first recorded observations of Mars date back to the ancient Egyptians in 1534 BC. Imagine this. It's over 3,500 years ago, and the night sky is a canvas of twinkling lights. The ancient Egyptians, intrigued by the universe's mystery, began recording their observations of a peculiar celestial body. This body, a striking red dot in the vast cosmos, was none other than Mars. The red planet, as we fondly call it today, has been a subject of fascination for millennia. Ancient civilizations were captivated by its distinctive red hue, prompting them to name this celestial wonder after their deities. The Romans named it Mars, after their god of war, alluding to its blood-like color that reminded them of the battlefield's intensity. But it wasn't until the 17th century that our understanding of Mars truly began to take shape. With the invention of the telescope, we could finally get a closer look at this intriguing planet. The Italian polymath Galileo Galilei was among the first to train his telescope on Mars, observing it as a disk rather than a simple point of light. His observations marked a turning point, transforming Mars from a distant, mysterious dot into a world waiting to be explored. As the centuries rolled on, astronomers like Christian Huygens and Giovanni Schiaparelli further expanded our understanding of Mars. They observed features like the Martian polar ice caps and what they believed to be a network of channels crisscrossing the planet's surface. These observations sparked a wave of speculation and curiosity about the possibility of life on Mars. Fast forward to the 20th century, and our glimpses of Mars became clearer than ever before. Astronomers now had powerful telescopes that could reveal the planet's surface in breathtaking detail. They discovered vast canyons, towering volcanoes, and signs that water once flowed across the Martian landscape. Every new discovery has only deepened our fascination with Mars, the enigmatic red planet. As technology advanced, so did our understanding and curiosity about the red planet. We've come a long way since those first observations by the ancient Egyptians. And yet, as we'll see, we're just getting started on our journey to unravel Mars' many mysteries. Fast forward to the 20th century. The era of space exploration begins, with Mars being a prime target. The fascination with the red planet had grown exponentially, and the two superpowers of the time, the Soviet Union and the United States, were locked in a fierce space race. Mars was no longer a distant celestial body, it was a destination. The Soviet Union was the first to attempt a mission to Mars. In the early 60s, they launched a series of spacecraft known as Marsnik in an endeavor to reach the Martian surface. However, the challenges of interplanetary travel were not to be underestimated. Technical difficulties and the vast distance to Mars led to the failure of these initial attempts. Not long after, the United States stepped into the fray with its Mariner program. The mission? To conduct close-up scientific observations of Mars and capture the first images of the planet's surface. The stakes were high, and the world watched with bated breath. In the summer of 1965, Mariner 4 made its flyby of Mars, forever changing our understanding of the red planet. The spacecraft managed to capture 21 close-up images, revealing a barren moon-like surface, starkly contrasting the Earth-like conditions scientists had speculated. The images were a revelation, a glimpse into an alien world that had captivated human imagination for centuries. The success of Mariner 4 was a pivotal moment in the history of space exploration. It not only marked a significant victory for the United States in the space race, but also paved the way for future missions to Mars. With this triumph, the door to the mysteries of the Red Planet was cracked open, and the stage was set for a new era of exploration. These initial missions, with their mix of triumph and disappointment, were a testament to human curiosity and perseverance. They laid the groundwork for our understanding of Mars and ushered in a new age of interplanetary exploration. The journey was just beginning, and Mars, once a point of light in that night sky, was now within our reach. These initial missions paved the way for more advanced exploration. In the 21st century, Mars exploration reached new heights with a series of rovers and orbiters. This era marked a shift in our understanding of the Red Planet, as space agencies from around the globe launched missions to unravel its mysteries. Take, for instance, the twin rovers Spirit and Opportunity, launched by NASA in 2003. These rovers, designed for a mission that was initially planned to last just 90 sols or Martian days, ended up exceeding all expectations. Spirit continued to transmit data till 2010, while Opportunity, the marathon runner of the pair, lasted until 2018. Their tireless exploration revealed evidence of past water activity on Mars, adding weight to the theory that Mars might have once been hospitable to life. Fast forward to 2012, and another rover, aptly named Curiosity, landed on Mars. Armed with the most advanced scientific instruments, Curiosity set out to answer the question, could Mars have once harbored life? The rover's discovery of ancient organic molecules and fluctuating methane levels in the Martian atmosphere have brought us tantalizingly close to answering this question. More recently, the Perseverance rover, which landed in February 2021, and its companion, the Ingenuity helicopter, have been making headlines. Perseverance's mission is to seek signs of ancient life and collect samples of rock and regolith that could potentially be returned to Earth in future missions. Meanwhile, Ingenuity, the first aircraft to make a powered, controlled flight on another planet, is providing invaluable data on the Martian atmosphere and terrain. These missions have transformed our understanding of Mars, but there's still much to learn. As we continue to explore the Red Planet, who knows what other secrets we might uncover? The quest to understand Mars is more than just scientific curiosity. It's a testament to human spirit and our unending desire to explore the unknown. The next frontier in Mars exploration? Human missions. Imagine for a moment that you're gazing out across the Martian landscape. The red soil stretches out as far as the eye can see, dotted with towering volcanoes and deep canyons. It's an alien world, yet remarkably Earth-like in so many ways. This is the vision that NASA, SpaceX, and others are working tirelessly to turn into a reality. The journey to Mars is fraught with challenges, both known and unknown. There's the sheer distance, for starters. Mars is, on average, about 140 million miles away from Earth. That's a trip that could take anywhere from 6 to 9 months, depending on the alignment of the planets and the speed of the spacecraft. Then there's the issue of surviving on Mars itself. The planet's thin atmosphere offers little protection from harmful solar radiation, and its surface is cold and dry, with temperatures that can drop as low as -140 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite these obstacles, the potential benefits of a manned Mars mission are immense. For one, it would represent a monumental achievement for humanity, a testament to our ingenuity and adventurous spirit. It could also pave the way for future colonization of Mars, opening up new possibilities for scientific research and even the potential for life beyond Earth. NASA's Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the Moon by 2024, is seen as a stepping stone towards this goal. Meanwhile, SpaceX's Starship, envisioned as a fully reusable spacecraft, is being designed with Mars in mind. The timeline for a human mission to Mars is still uncertain. NASA aims for the 2030s, while SpaceX's Elon Musk is more ambitious, hoping for a crewed Mars mission as early as the mid to late 2020s. There's little doubt that the journey will be long and fraught with dangers. But as we've seen throughout history, humanity has a knack for overcoming challenges and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The dream of setting foot on the Red Planet may soon become a reality. From ancient observations to modern rovers, the exploration of Mars is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. We've journeyed through time to see the red planet first from the unaided eye of ancient astronomers, tracing its wandering path across the sky. It was a bright, mysterious object that kindled our earliest questions about the universe beyond our own world. We've delved into the dawn of space missions, taking our first tentative steps into the cosmos. The space race of the mid-20th century propelled us further than ever before, and Mars became more than a distant red dot in the sky. It became a destination. Fast forward to our era of technological marvels, we've witnessed unprecedented discoveries made by our rovers and satellites. From the evidence of water to the potential for past life, Mars has proven to be a treasure trove of scientific revelations. And we haven't stopped there. We've touched on the tantalizing future possibilities. Could humans one day set foot on Mars? The plans are being laid, the technology is being developed. The dream that once seemed fantastical is now within our grasp. As we continue to explore Mars, who knows what mysteries we'll uncover next? Our journey to understand the red planet is far from over. And as we've seen, each new discovery only fuels our desire to learn more. So, stay tuned for our next space journey.